Hello everyone, good morning. This week we will draw capsicum and carrot and we will learn how to paint them with oil pastel colors. So the shape of the capsicum is like we did in the last drawing of pumpkin, but we use oval shape in pumpkin, but here we are using a little wavy shape, bigger from the upper side and smaller from the bottom side. And then with the central part I make the half, just like the pumpkin, half shape on the right side and half shape on the left side. And then draw the stem, and now I'm drawing a carrot shape. And for carrot is in shape of a little conical, but not the perfect conical like we draw lines with a scale. And we will draw some green part of the carrot. Okay, now this is the basic drawing. I will use the same drawing. This is on my rough sheet. Now I'm drawing it on my fair sheet. So I'm using the same drawing, just bigger shape on the upper side and lower smaller, and the half shape on the right side and the similar half shape on the left side. Then I make two curved lines on the back and one stem in the center. This is a simple shape of capsicum. And now the conical shape of carrot, and then I will give a little twist, a little wave to the shape. Okay, we will not use any scale here to draw the conical shape. Okay, carrot is also in bigger from the upper part, and from the bottom it's in pointed like conical shape. Okay, now we will outline the whole drawing, these two vegetables. And here you can correct your drawing. If any mistake in the drawing, you can correct it here. Just outline the drawing and erase the pencil drawings. After erasing it, we will paint it. For capsicum, we need green color, the shades of green, light green, dark green, and I will use yellow color to highlight it. And for the capsicum we use red color, orange color and yellow color. Okay, so for the capsicum, first I use a yellow color in the center part, because just like pumpkin, its surface is not even. So I use lighter color on the center, yellow color, and then I'm using light green to outline the shape and fill the color with light hand. Don't give so much pressure, because we want the yellow color as well. So it's visible in between the green color. And do the same technique with the other parts of the capsicum. And now I'm using a dark green on the edges and in the center with a light hand. And I'm leaving the upper part, a little bit upper part, to show the light area. Not covering the whole part, a little I'm leaving it. And you can use cotton to merge the colors also. And I will use black color to give dark shade, or you can say the depth to the painting, to the object drawing. Because my dark green is not so much dark, so I'm using black color to make it more dark from the edges and to give a dark shade. And I'm using my finger to blend the color. You can use cotton or tissue paper, it's up to you. For thinner area you can use earbuds also. Now I'm using the black color on the darkest side, not on the light part. Now on the carrot again I'm using the yellow color in the center on the whole drawing, and then I use orange color, just outline the shape, and I'm using the orange color with light hand, covering the yellow color with light hand. Don't give so much pressure because we need lighter color in the center. And then I'm merging the color with my hand. You can use cotton. Now I'm using red color, and on the center part I'm using with a light hand. Outline the shape and then fill the color. This is the technique to coloring any object or any shape. And just blend the color with the orange color with the help of cotton or tissue paper. Cotton is much better than the tissue paper because tissue paper can scrape the color. And now our carrot is done. We can use brown color to give a little more shade to the red color. And now use the green color on the green part. Then use dark green to give a shade. And after dark green I will use the black color to give the depth to the drawing. And I will use on the carrot also. On the darker side I will use and give some detail with the black color. Now I will paint the shadow. I'm using grey color to paint the shadow. I'm not painting here a very dark shadow. A little shadow, a little light shadow. So I'm using grey color. So hope you like the drawing. You must try this. Thank you.